If you need to log in to Hostinger, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're trying to access your hosting dashboard, manage your website, or check your account details, logging in is the first step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website guides. First, open your browser and go to the Hostinger website. You can type Hostinger into the search bar or go directly to hostinger.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button in the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll start the sign-in process. Go ahead and click Login. You'll be taken to the login page where Hostinger gives you a few different ways to sign in. The most common method is to enter the email address and password associated with your Hostinger account. Carefully type in your login details, making sure there are no spelling mistakes or extra spaces. If you signed up with a Google account, you can also choose the Google sign-in option instead. This can be a faster way to access your account if your Hostinger profile is connected to your Google login. Depending on your account setup, you may also see other available sign-in methods. Once your email and password are entered, or once you've selected your preferred sign-in method, click Log In again to continue. Hostinger will verify your details, and if everything is correct, you'll be taken into your account dashboard. From there, you can manage your hosting plan, access your websites, edit settings, and work on your online projects all from one place. If you ever have trouble signing in, double check your email, password, and chosen login method before trying again. And that's it. You've now learned how to log in to Hostinger in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.